Hey there, fellow creators. If you're tired of being stuck in the Apple ecosystem and want to make the switch to Google Slides for better collaboration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to convert Keynote to Google Slides in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's get started and make your presentations more accessible than ever. First things first, open up your Keynote presentation on your Mac or iOS device. Once you have it ready, head to the File menu and select Export to. Here, you'll see options like PowerPoint or PDF. Go with PowerPoint for the best results, as it preserves most of your formatting, animations, and slides. In 2025, Keynote's export feature is smarter than ever, so choose your file format and hit Export. Save it to a location you can easily access, like your desktop or iCloud. Next, log into your Google Drive account. If you don't have one, it's free and quick to set up. Trust me, it's worth it for all the cloud storage. Once you're in, click on New and select File Upload to upload your exported PowerPoint file. After it's uploaded, right-click on the file in Google Drive and choose Open with Google Slides. This will automatically convert your file into a Google Slides format. Now, for the fun part, editing. Open your new Google Slides presentation and review it for any issues. Sometimes, transitions or images might not transfer perfectly, so take a moment to tweak them. A pro tip for 2025: use Google Slides' built-in collaboration tools to share your file instantly with team members for real-time feedback. If you run into problems, like formatting glitches, try re-exporting from Keynote with different settings or use Google's import tools to fix elements on the fly. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly convert your Keynote files to Google Slides in just a few steps. This method saves you time and keeps your content looking great. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep creating awesome presentations together. Thanks for watching.